Hello, I welcome you all back to our day 3 of intensive revisions, and in today's lesson we'll be talking about geometric progression, which is GP. That's how we get to abbreviate it. So we are having this question, and our first question is where we are told to find the value of x. This is our first question. So it is saying the first three terms of a GP are x plus 1, x minus 3, and x minus 1. Find the first question. We are told to find the value of x. So when you are given these three terms of a geometric progression, this is the first term, this is the second term, and this is the third term. Then you are told to find the value of x. How can you find the value of x? So let me do this. Let me write them properly here. So you are given x plus 1, x minus 3, x minus 1. You know that this is your first term, this is your second term, this is your third term. This is what you are given. Then you are told to find the value of x. How can you find the value of x? So if you are new to this YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe, make sure you hit the like button and comment. So the way we get to find the value of x is where you say T3 divide T2, which is equal to T2 over T1. This is the formula that we get to use. So whenever you are told to find the value of any data, when you are given the three terms, this is the formula that you need to know, and this is the formula that we get to use. So after writing this formula like this, you just need to start substituting now, where you just now start substituting. So what is your T3? T3 is this one, which is x minus 1 over, what is your T2? T2 is x minus 3, which is equal to T2 x minus 3 over T1, which is x plus 1. This is what you are given. With this now, you want to find the value of x, so you cross multiply. So meaning the x minus 1 will go with x plus 1 like this, which is equal to x minus 3. Then we've got also what? X minus 3. This is what we are going to do. And this is what you are supposed to know. So then you start multiplying this one, x, this one, you get this one. Multiply it with everything in this bracket. So this x, you say x, multiplied by x plus 1. You do this. You've got minus 1, you say minus 1, multiply it with everything in the same bracket, x plus 1. You do this, which is equal to, you move to this one. So I'm teaching you how we get to expand this. You get this x, multiply it with everything there. So x multiplied by x minus 3. You say minus what? Minus 3, open bracket, minus 3. Multiply it with everything in this bracket, which is x minus 3. This is what you are going to do. After you do this, then you start expanding. Just a matter of expanding now. So how do you expand? X times x, it is x squared. X times 1, it is x. Negative 1 times x, it is negative x. Negative 1 times 1, it is minus 1, which is equal to x times x, it is x squared. X times 3, it is negative 3. Negative 3 times x is negative 3x. Negative 3 times negative 3, it is positive 9. This is what we are going to get. After reaching this stage, what you need to do next is where you start working out like terms. You start grouping like terms. So you know that here, x minus x, this one is giving you a 0 here. That's a 0 that is there. X squared, this is also x squared. So we're going to have x squared minus, this is positive. When it comes this side, it becomes minus x squared. Have you seen x squared minus x squared? That is a 0. Meaning, even these are going to be cancelled like this. So we're going to have just negative 1 that has remained this side, which is equal to, here, negative 3x minus 3x, it's 6x plus 9, like this. What are you supposed to do here? You group the like terms. So we need to group the like terms here. How are you supposed to group the like terms? The 6x comes inside. So it is positive 6x, which is equal to, there we've got 9. When this one comes inside, it's plus 1. So this is just the same as 6x is equal to 10 when you add. Divide both sides by 6, divide both sides by 6. This cancelled. So what are you going to have? You're going to say, therefore, x is equal to what? Which number can go into 5, into 10 and 6? It is 2. 2 there, it is 5. 2 there, it is 3. So this is the value of x. That's how you need to find the value of x. So these are procedures you need to do. This is what you need to get. So we've calculated the value of x. We've calculated the value of x. 5 over 3. So we know the value of x. We know that x is equal to 5 over 3. We've calculated. We move to the second one. Second one, you are taught to find the first term. How can you find the first term? The first term is very simple. You are given that one. This is the first term. The first term is what? X plus 1. Since you know the value of x, that this is the value of x, so where there is x, you put that one. X, it is 5 over 3 plus 1. You evaluate this. Over 1, you find the lowest common denominator, which is 3. 3 into 3, 1. 1 times 5, 5 plus 1 into 3, 3. 3 times 1, 3, which is equal to 8 over 3. This is your first term. So this is your first term. So first term we write A. We say A, it is the first term, 8 over 3. So that's how you need to calculate the first term. We move to the other question. So the other question, question number 3. So move to question number 3. Question number 3 is where you are told to find sum to infinity. You are told to find sum to infinity. How can you find sum to infinity? How do we find sum to infinity? You know that the formula is this formula. Sum to infinity is equal to first term over 1 minus the common ratio. This is the formula. So do you have the common ratio? No. But you know that the formula for common ratio is equal to, you say T2 over T1. This is the formula for the common ratio. So let's first calculate the common ratio. Let's calculate the common ratio. So you say common ratio is equal to, what is your T2? T2. This is our T2. There is x. So you know that it is x minus 3. X minus 3. let's find this. X we know that is 5 over 3 minus 3 minus 3. What answer are we getting? Common denominator, it is 3. 3 into 3, 1 times 5 is 5 minus 1 into 3, 3. 3 times 3, 9, which is equal to negative what? Negative 4 over 3. This is the what? This is the second term. So I put it there, negative 4 over 3. Then I'm saying divide. Divide by the first term. The first term is that one. This is the first term. That I found 8 over 3. So I know that the common ratio will now be equal to negative 4 over 3 times this will change. 3 there, 3 goes on top, 8 down. These 3 are going to be cancelled, which is equal to 4 there, it is 1. 4 into 8, 2. So the answer is negative 1 over 2. Negative 1 over 2. This is my what? This is my common ratio. So with this common ratio, it's the one that I'm going to substitute there. So just a matter of substituting. I know that the common ratio, I've also found the common ratio, negative 1 over 2. So from the data which is there, common ratio I have. What is my common ratio? Negative 1 over 2. This is my common ratio. So I just substitute now in this formula where I say this is now equal to, it is now equal to what? What is my first term? My first term is 8 over 3, like that. I say over 1 minus my common ratio, negative 1 over 2, which is equal to, this is 8 over 3, so I'll say divide. This division which is here, I work out what is down there. So I can use my calculator. 1 minus, open bracket, negative 1 over 2. What answer am I getting? I'm getting, this is what I'm getting, 1 over 2. How do I change this? I just say 2 times 1. It is 2 plus 1, 3. So it's 3 over 2. That's what I'm getting, 3 over what? 2. So I put it here, 3 over 2. So this one changes to times. So this is what is happening. Sum to infinity is equal to 8 over 3 times 2 over 3, which is equal to, so it is equal to what? It is equal to 8 times 2, 16, over 3 times 3, 9. So this is my answer. This is the sum to what? Sum to infinity. These are procedures that I need to do. This is what I need to get and understand. So this is where we are going to end from today. This is our day 3. So let's stay connected to this YouTube channel even as we get to revise through these 21 days. And if you are looking for tuitions, you can WhatsApp me on this WhatsApp line. Then I'll be able to help you in mathematics and science. This is my WhatsApp number. You can WhatsApp me on this line. Thank you so much. If you haven't subscribed to this YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe.